Right, it's Tuesday, February 11th. Just wanted to follow up on Home Depot. Discussed on earlier videos how I traded early in the session here, bought it breaking out of the first bar high, scaled out to set up an orange trade. When I saw it coming down, I exited here at this purple line, the next half of the position for a very small gain. And then I talked about how just watching the price action, kind of taking out liquidity at this little pivot and then holding the midpoint of the first bar, big green bar, re-entered it here at this green line, and just wanted to show you as we come to the end of the session, it has kind of worked all the way up to the highs of the day again. So again, that's kind of Home Depot trading today. As discussed, I bought it initially at 415.25 down here. I scaled out at 416.25. I exited the rest of the position at 414.98. That was trade one, and then I re-entered at 414.46. And now as we come to the end of the day, I think with the CPI number being released in the morning, I don't want to, who knows what's going to unfold pre-market tomorrow. So anyway, just wanted to show you, though, in terms of price action, it held the midpoint of the prior day all day. We're heading up on the daily chart here with a continuation move towards that target in the 418 area. If we hit that target, that kind of triggers the 2-up week here to then go all the way up here to 427. Maybe there'll be good news tomorrow in terms of price action for the market as a whole, and that'll be the trigger to send it up there. But overall, Home Depot is a good buy, in a buy mode at the moment. So you're looking for different kind of buy opportunities. Today, the way I saw it is the breaking out, it moved up nicely on this first bar and then it consolidated for a while. So that was a good breakout buy here. Unfortunately, it didn't really follow through all that much. I mean, it followed through, but not, all morning long. So to me, just given the way the market was reacting and everything else, I took a small gain on this one and wanted to watch it. And then, after just watching it for a while and seeing the way it reacted here at this pivot to the midpoint of that bar with all the context to the upside, re-entering here on this green bar at the green line, ended up being a nice trade to get back to the top of the range. So we're ending up with a green day. You kind of expect that high to be tested tomorrow. Here's the target. Again, that triggers the weekly target that then goes up to higher targets. So we'll see if it kind of holds the midpoint today and continues, 2 days into the week. Here's the open on Home Depot. So until we get a 2-down day, a new low that that might threaten that open, everything's biased to the upside as we start this new week. And again, I'm still focused. I still, until things change, I'm still expecting to take out this high and then kind of see what happens at that inflection point. And again, the interesting thing there is that triggers the weekly 2-up, which then has targets even higher than that.